run a business and you are still sending follow-up emails manually, you are wasting a lot of time. I am going to show you exactly how to connect Gmail module with Make.coms and automate your email processing and automate your follow-up email processing with Make.com. So it's pretty easy. So let's jump into the video and it will appear here. There are a lot of modules. So I'm giving you a tip here. If you are a starter and the many things are like many modules function here. Basically, if you see a blue icon on some function, this is basically a trigger. You can also see here trigger when a new row is open, like here's new row added, here's make.com will run and get these data in make.com. So basically there is a lot of values used here a search. Because our lead already here, we will need to search here like which one you want to start already. We will here use the search module. Basically, basically in there my spreadsheet name. You can see here this is the spreadsheet names will show here, and after that it will be asking me which sheet you want to data. Sheet one. Now look at there. Basically, this is a sheet. It is asking me which sheet you want to get from these data. Basically, I select sheet one. So after that, so I don't want this. So just one. Here you can also get almost 21 data it leads here to be searching here only one for testing. Sends email module. If you see here, this is a option like run once. If I click here, it will run there. So basically, it will run an input in that we fix that. Just go and collect this data. This is input. After that, output. Output is that what we received. So there you can see the answers. Yeah, and see here the output is answer. Phone number is this, email is this, and what my product is like in web design and also date right as well. It also tell a row number as well. Here specialty is this, and all these details are output. There are your confusions. So after that, like we are using a Gmail module to send, like we have received that email. So you can see here this one. I want to send a email to that email because this is a client email, customer email. Want to tell them that I have received your inquiry and I will get back to you. So here I have received the email of the customer. So I want to send an email to them. So I will click there and plus icon. You can see here, this is a plus icon. I will click there and it will show again a lot of app as well. So I am using it here, Gmail. So because this is a popular app, so it will appear. So I am using, so you can see here a lot of function here, move an email, update email label, arc email, feed, and many more function. Also, I make an API call it. So we are using here handle it to the customer will that from Google Sheet here. So every automation start process is connection. Mechanism is necessary for every app in use. We will click here like in that this option. We will click here. I am using this account because I have logged into it. Click here, and after that I will continue it. So I also continue it. This is appear at my Gmail module setting. So here I connect that account, then here's and two. Two is basically which where you want to send. If you put manually here, like you send to tab. But I have email this here, back here, and top here. And it will send to this email, even if like this one, if the email and will automatically also your as well. I'm seeing here like this one is the actual which will end into the master use a good subject line. I am using this one already. So I have already used this one, giving you this one. So name, basically here name is showing black. It must show green because over this module color is green. So I will delete the use this name so it will appear by name. You so what you want to send this in a major like sending to the. So there are the two options. One is the collection of contacts, text, image, etc., and raw HTML. As I have done a lot of project, I only do the raw HTML. Pretty easy and full professional. So here you can see already save our template for theme as well. Then just copying here, keep, copy it. I will paste it. So I am start from this. You will see a black option. Name, link, put the original name. Basically, we are doing mapping. Basically, we are also emailed, and here we will map email. Here we are from product as well. Here you date also name, email. So I use a GPT to tell him that you want to email. So I have done it. I this method use this subject line. We will do save it. So after that, I have saved this scenario here. And again, because I have run once, here you can see run an existing data. This one that we have already previous one. This one, yeah, this is actually about telling about this one. We have run this one, so we again you can see it is send it is running and it is correctly sending to the email to the customer. So because we put email from this line, so you can see here this is the time is right. This beautiful email template came into being it like with telling name, phone number, email, website, that and like when you connect here, it will look at and email this as well. So it be uh, very easy for the teams. Good option. So, so it's pretty easy. Every business must follow these steps and automate its email. But like if it like 1 minute, it came and you send email like that, like this is working. So both you are understand. And if you want me to build this automation for your business directly, my contact is in the description below. See you in the next one.